Here's a new video light that you can get. It's the GVM Pocket Light 60C. They call it the PD60C. It's a 60-watt light with a built-in battery that can do a lot of cool things. Check this out. What's up guys, Marion from Camera to Freedom. If you guys use your camera to take photos and videos and make YouTube content so that you can live a life of freedom like how I'm trying to do, like I'm trying to survive with my camera and live a life of freedom, taking photos and videos and all the cool stuff, hit the like and subscribe and let's go. All right guys, so video lights is my forte. I've been making video light reviews for a long time, ever since I started my YouTube channel, and I'm still doing it. They are evolving. When I first started, it was just turn on and off, that's it. But now it's a mini computer. So I'm gonna talk about all the features here, and if you guys do like it, I do have the discount code link straight from GVM's website or the Amazon link. And if you do buy it from me, thank you so very much for your support. It comes in a nice case, so that's a must. I don't think there's an actual name for it, but I call it the mini bow and mount because it looks like a bow and mount, but it's a smaller version. And this is getting very popular. This thing comes with a little dish that goes in the front, but they also have soft boxes that fits the mini bow and mount as well. Different kinds of soft boxes that you can get. They also have adapters that you could put a small bow and mount, and then the other side is the regular bow and mount size. If you got a big softbox like I'm using right now, I'm using a GVM light to light myself. You could use big bow and softboxes in this tiny, well, it's not that tiny, but you know, it's small. It's not huge like the other ones, into this light. This backside is the battery, and this backside has 6,000 milliamp battery power. It will light full power at 60 watt for up to 1 hour. I'm never at 100%, whether I'm shooting weddings or events or seminars and things like that. I usually have it at 50% or less. So that means that it will actually last me longer than an hour. But the good thing about this battery is that it supports up to 100 watt fast charging. I like to use my 65 watt MacBook Pro adapter to charge my light and charge this in a couple of hours, compared to if you just plug it on a normal speed. That might take a long time to charge, so I definitely recommend fast charging for your device. This battery is also an external battery. It gives out 60 watt output, meaning that it could fast charge like my MacBook Pro. It'll charge my phone, it'll charge any kind of device. So like you're at a wedding gig, you're at an event, and your phone is about to die out and you need that extra juice, you could plug it in here. It's got a little USB-C that's an input and an output. So that's very handy. So this is weatherproof. So if it's raining, snowing, you're in the desert, it's all sealed so that way it will not damage your light. It also comes with a little mount like this. You screw in, and this little mount handle is pretty cool. I like this one. You could hold this button to level it down and up and down, and then you put this in a tripod, lock it in, and you have your own little mount. And this is cool too because you could angle it this way and it's a flashlight. You could hold it that way too. So I'm glad they gave this little piece extra, because I do have lights that don't give you a handle like this and have to carry around an extra little mount on the side, and sometimes I forget, but this is a very cool handle that I like. So this GVM PD60C will also link up to your phone app, and that's very helpful because I'm shooting weddings and events. I have this up in a big tripod, and instead of me running over there and putting the tripod down, turning it on and bringing it back up, and it's the wrong setting, and I'm just constantly trying to get the right setting, I could just have it turned on, connect to my phone wherever I'm at. When it's time for a first dance or cake cutting or the event is about to start, I have it already angled properly, and all I do is open up my app and then I just turn it on. And then I could adjust the strength, the warmth. This app is super helpful. So it's got so many different effects. This is an RGB light. You get all the colors in the spectrum, and you could go into the RGB section and just pick out a color that you like. They give you multiple different ways to find the color that you are looking for. And this is kind of neat too. They have a gel section. If you are in a set, a movie, short film, and people are using gels to light up the scene, then you could use this so that you could also be matching that gel light that they're using. And of course, it's got the special effects. It's got things like lightning, bulb, candles, TV, paparazzi, explosions, police, sirens, and things like that. So it's got cool special effects if you need that for short films. And that rhythm effect is really fun. Testing my check 1, 2. As you can see, it matches my audio and it changes the music to the mood of my voice. This is really interesting. You could use this for music, of course, but this is really cool. I've never seen an effect like this before. All right, guys, so I got the link below. If you do buy from me, thank you so very much for your support. and leave a comment. Just say what's up. That definitely helps out. I will see you next time.